Hey, let me guide you how we register in this one application. This is the home page. From here, if you will go to the My Booking dashboard message anywhere in this one, the user panel, then definitely you will get the login or the registration form here. If you will go by directly here, then you will get the in the pop-up. So let me start by this right now. I am just doing the registrations as a owner. I am putting my preferred username and I am putting my email as well. Password I am keeping the simple whatever you want to have. Okay. And here you can put the your first name and the last name. Last name. And just you need to agree this one and just click on the registration. So this is a very simple process to be the register in this one application. Oh yeah. So I need to keep like this is saying that your password is not the enough strong enough. So for this one, we need to keep the something strong password because I keep the very simple password like the 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So we need to keep something strong. So what I am doing something that should be like the capital something and small and the here you will see that the everything is fine or not like that one. So password must at least the 8 characters and the include the one uppercase letter, one number and one special character. So if I am keeping this one, so I need to have like this. So this is the good. Now I am putting this one. Okay. First name and last name I am keeping here. Register. This has been registered successfully. If you will see here, you are able to register like that you have successfully registered to the TBILIX. Okay. Now if you will log in by the username or by email by using the whatever the password you have given at the time of registrations. Remember we log in. Simply you have logged in here. Now you will see here the my listing dashboard. So this is the listing platform basically. So from here you can add the listing like whatever the services you want to have like the choose listing type services rental event and classified different field will be there to fill the information. So I am just clicking on the services and here the service I am just for the demo purpose for your guidance I am just putting here service from or something. Okay, I am keeping a photo here. So in my because I am the developer, so definitely it may be the possible. mm, just a minute, I need to choose basically something. I need to select basically anything I am just putting here. So I have put here. Okay. Select the category like that the market, masses, man, packages, or like that the services. I am keeping the services here. Okay. And here if the services category will be here, then it will list, otherwise it will not list. So here you can put the anything, but that is not the required, it is optional. So if suppose you will put here the location like that the Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh, India. and enter. Then definitely on the enter, definitely you will get this one. So if you will select this, then the mark will come here like that. Okay, and um, here you can friendly address you can put here, regions, whatever the regions here. Okay, you can put longitude, latitude has to come, and if you want to keep the like gallery, then definitely you can keep just, and as you will click, then definitely other things will be the come here. Okay, so I am just keeping like something that is the not necessary for me, like, okay, suppose I'm just putting here the something informations you want to have, like the lorem impulse, lorem impulse. I am just keeping this one. Okay, you can keep your informations, whatever the informations you want to have there. I'm just giving the simple things for the demo purpose only on this one to you. Okay, here the whatever the URL you want to keep the YouTube URL. Okay, suppose I am keeping this one. Okay, optional, like the phone number optional, so you can keep like website name. Suppose I'm putting here this one. Okay, like anything, whatever the email. Okay, so this is not the required. Okay, here if you will click here, then it will ask to the pricing and booking. So if you will go there, then definitely you will find the exactly the things. So click on the preview here, and this has been registered here, like the whatever the things is there, services plumber or like that. Okay, everything is coming, like whatever the things is there. Okay, submitting the listing. As we will click the submitting the listing, then definitely it will be go for the thanks for the submission. I like that. Okay, and if you will go here, okay, you will see here the your listing. You can edit, you can delete from here. Okay, I call expert import. Okay, if you will go to the, then again you can modify this one. So this is the process of this one applications right now. And further for the any guidance needed, then definitely I will record the video and put the video here for your guidance. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this one video.